Hello all, welcome to the playlist of general knowledge. In this session, I'll be discussing about a few important points on fundamental rights. You can observe the flowchart. Actually, the fundamental rights are as follows: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Moreover, fundamental rights are borrowed from USA and France. Okay, let us discuss right to equality and the article number that is in between 14th to 18th. So regarding 14th article, equality before law and equal protection of law. That is regarding 14, article 14. Then regarding article 15, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, sex, etc. These are the things which are regarding article number 15. Moving on to article 16, equality of opportunity in public employment. Coming into Article 17, this is regarding abolition of untouchability. Then Article 18, that is mainly concentrating on abolition of titles. These are the main thing which are under Article 14 to 18. So collectively we can call right to equality. Regarding right to freedom, the article number that is specified in between 19 to 22. Article 19 comprises of six rights. There are six rights: freedom of speech and expression, then assembly of association, then movement, residence, and profession. So it comprises of six rights. Okay. Then regarding Article 20, it is regarding protection in respect of conviction of offenses. So that is the importance of Article 20. Then regarding Article 21, protection of lives and personal liberty. Then Article 20, mainly speaking on protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. These are the main article which are comes under right to freedom. Okay. Let me discuss about right against exploitation. Right against exploitation, that is furnishing the article 23 to 24. When I talk about article 23, it comprises of prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labors. Article 23 is mainly concentrating on prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. That is regarding 23 and 24. That is comes under right against exploitation. Then regarding right to freedom of religion, the main points are specified in the article 25 to 28. When I speak about article 25, we can say that freedom of cons- uh, conscience, consents, free profession, then practice and propagation of religion. Okay, freedom of, okay, every person has a freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. Then, regarding Article 26, that is manage religious affairs. When I speak about Article 27, we can say that freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion. Then, Article 28 focus freedom from attending religious instruction or worship in certain educational institution. You have to remember this article. Okay. Now I would like to discuss about cultural and educational rights that is specified in the article 29 to 30. So regarding article 29, it is mainly concentrating on protection of interests of minorities. Okay. Then article 30, that is mainly focusing on a right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. That is regarding article 30. Okay. Now I wanted to speak about right to constitutional remedies. In right regarding right to constitutional remedies, Article 32 is mainly speaking about right to constitutional remedies. It includes habeas corpus, very important, then mandamus writs, then prohibition writs, then certiorari, quo warranto. So these are the major points which are comes under Article 32. Okay. These fundamental rights are originated at Magna Carta of India. So these are the basic information about fundamental rights, and also it can be suspended during emergency except article 20th and 21st. Okay, rest of the article can be revamped, can be renovated, can be modified. Okay, depends on the situation, it can be modified. Okay, so this is the basics on fundamental rights. You need to remember. This will be really helpful for clearing the examination. At least one or two questions can be expected during competitive examination. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly share and subscribe this channel. You can visit my another channel for technical studies. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video.